Welcome to BorrowBox, your library in one app. Today we are going to show you how to download and use the BorrowBox app on your device. If you are using an Apple device, tap on the App Store. If you are using an Android, tap on the Google Play Store. Within the App Store, using the search function, type BorrowBox Library. The app should appear in the drop-down list. Tap Download and the app will install on your device. This may take a few minutes. Tap on your BorrowBox app to open the app. You will be prompted to sign in with your library ID. Tap Library and type in the library you are a member of. The library should appear in the drop-down list. Select your library. Type in your ID or barcode, which is found on your library card or e-card. Type in your PIN or password. If you do not know your PIN or password, please contact your library. Terms and conditions will pop up on your screen. Welcome to BorrowBox. On the top bar, you can see My Loans and My Reading Lists. On the bottom bar, you can see eAudiobooks, eBooks, and Search. You can see how many loans are available, what you have reserved, and your loan history. Tap on My Reading Lists to view which books you have added. To search for an ebook, tap Search at the bottom of your screen. Type in the title of the ebook. The title will appear in the drop-down list. Tap on the title. Tap Borrow and confirm your loan. If you would like to receive notifications when your loan is about to expire, tap Yes and accept notifications. You can read now or keep browsing. We are going to read now. You can browse BorrowBox selections of eAudiobooks by tapping on eAudiobooks at the bottom of your screen. To search for an eAudiobook, tap Search. Type in the title of the eAudiobook. The title will appear in the drop-down. Tap on the title. Tap Borrow. Tap Confirm Loan. You can listen now or keep browsing. We are going to listen now. You will be given the option for future loans to download automatically. Tap Yes. Tap on the play button to start listening. To return an ebook or eAudiobook, simply tap on the return button on My Loan screen. Tap Confirm Return. To reserve an ebook or eAudiobook, tap on the book and tap the Reserve button. Or you can simply tap and hold the cover. A list will pop up from the bottom. Tap Reserve. If a user returns their loan early, you will move up in the queue and receive a notification. We hope you enjoy borrowing ebooks and eAudiobooks from BorrowBox, your library in one app.